Focus. Ideate. Innovate. Enable.
On the sidelines of the 12th Auto Expo in New Delhi was held Forbes India Conversations in Excellence, presented by Mercedes-Benz, powered by CNBC TV18, where eminent speakers spoke about how they have achieved excellence. Our final speaker for the evening is a renowned face from the world of theatre, Sanjana Kapoor.
Thank you for having me here. Amongst all this wonderfulness, this most delicious creation of Mercedes, which I am completely familiar with from my complete childhood, when my father would drive me around in his Mercedes cars forever and ever and ever. And I wish my son was here because he absolutely adores cars. I'm not going to say very much. All I'm going to say is that this word, excellence, is a really terrifying word for me. It's a wonderful word that one gropes for, one aspires to in my world. My world is the world of theatre. And yes, I presume I'm here because I also belong to the world of cinema, but I chose theatre because that is what is my fire in my belly. And both my grandparents had this fire in their belly, and that's where I got it from. The rest of my family went towards cinema, which I think is wonderful. But theatre is what charges me. And I think there are only three things really that are fundamental to perhaps what we're talking about this evening when we're talking about excellence. And I think I've grown to realize this from the work I've done over the last 24 years in theatre, along with this wonderful bunch of people I work with in my team. And I think when we dream out our dreams and we run after realizing our dreams, and if we can sit back and say, perhaps that has been successful, perhaps we have achieved something that we aspired to achieve, I think there are three things that have motivated that. And I think the first is that we have been propelled by our passion. We have been propelled by our junoon. And whether it was the inspiration of ironing your parents' I love that story. Or whether it is anything at all that has actually given us that fire in our belly. And that is what we are propelled by. So you are propelled here by creating these incredible cars. But I think that everything we create has to be something incredibly personal and incredibly passionate. And the second thing, of course, is the dedication and the work. But for us in our field, in theatre, it is the attention to detail. And we've always, always, always prided ourselves at the Prithvi Theatre, or now with my new baby called Junoon, with paying attention to the little things, and they make the difference. And I'm sure if you go into any of these vehicles, you'll find that it's the little things that make them divine. And I think that's what leads us into that area of excellence. But there is a third thing. And I think every speaker today has spoken about that. And I think that third thing is the human being. It is touching the person. And for me, in my field, in theatre, it is two aspects of the human being. It is the performer, and it is ensuring that everything that the performer and the performer's experience has to be the richest experience ever, and the audience, and their experience has to be the richest experience ever. And we think of these two things and keep the person and the human being at the core of everything we work with. And that's why we manage to do what we do. And I think that these three things that propel us. And for me, that's my only learning. I don't think I've achieved excellence, but it's something perhaps I aspire to, but I'm not sure it's really a goal for me. For me, the goal is much, much bigger. It's about making all of you love theatre, and making all of you value the arts and value every aspect of the arts and find magic in that and see how it can transform your life. So thank you very much for having me here this evening.